Okay, Detective Mary is on the case. Maybe it went to the slide? Nope! Not there! Guess again. Maybe the sandbox? Nuh-uh. Still no wheel. Ooh, a tire shop. That's perfect. Hello, mister.
Huh?
One of my wheels ran away, and my tractor is stuck. Do you have a new wheel I can borrow, please? Something round and zoomy? Ooh, a watermelon wheel? That's funny. Look at those seeds. Ready, set, go! Huh? That's not right. Mr. Watermelon Wheel, you're cute, but you don't match my blueberry buddies. Ooh, an orange wheel? Juicy and round. That's kind of cool. Let's try it on. Okay, let's ride. That doesn't feel right. You're sweet, but nope. I think this wheel is for orange trucks, not blueberry tractors. Avocado wheel? That's a new one. Look at the squishy green part and the pit in the middle. Let's see if you can zoom. Okay, ready, go! Nope, too soft. My tractor is not a salad. Sorry, Mr. Avocado. Whoa! This one has holes! It looks like a veggie spaceship. Let's try it anyway. Hold on tight. And go! Still nope. This wheel is full of holes. And my tractor needs full blueberry power. It's my wheel! My real blueberry wheel! Perfect fit! All right, my blueberry buddy, let's ride! Yes! It's working! We're back! What else? Yellow? Green?
Yellow. Blue. Green. Red.
One? That's enough! Oh, you're gonna be in trouble. Baby! Baby? Three! That's enough! 4! 1, 2, 3, 4! What's happening here? Where'd you think you're going? Hey! Do some more games! That's enough! Baby? It's mine! No, stop right now! Put it back, you naughty baby! Give it back now! I can't find him! Is it closed or what? Hey! Wow, beautiful! cheerful. I know you're here. Where has he gone? Hey, hey, hey! Yes! Aha! Hold up! Oh no, what now? Gotta move fast. I need assistance! Maybe this one. Oh no! I need the right color. No! Maybe here? Green! Wow! Thank you for your help. Here I go! Wow! Hold up! Haha! Stop! Come back! I can't find him! Somebody's hiding there. Don't go! No! Hey! Stop that! No! That's enough! Stop running! Don't go away! Help! Stop! I need help! Yellow! Not this one! Maybe this one. Wrong! I need the right color. Maybe this one. Green! Yes! Go!
5 little ducks went swimming one day in the river and...
Oh, little ducklings, where's your mother duck? No! Oh no, this can't be happening. Your mother? Don't worry, little ones. I promise we'll find your mother. Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a mother duck around?
No time for ducks. I need to collect these fruits.
I can help you collect them if you help me find the mother duck.
All right. If you can collect 10 apples and 10 bananas for me, I'll tell you where she went.
Okay, team. 1 apple, 2 apples, 1 banana, 2 bananas. And 10 bananas. Here you go.
Thank you, Mary. I saw the mother duck being taken towards that hill.
Can you tell me more?
Just towards that hill.
Okay.
Just towards that hill.
Thank you. I'll find her. Mother duck!
Hold on, Missy. Passes 5 gold coins.
I have to save Mother duck. Please, can I pass?
No coins, no pass.
But I have no money.
There's always a way, if you think about it.
Excuse me, ma'am. I need to save Mother duck. I need 5 gold coins for the gate. Can you help me, please?
Oh dear, I can't help you with that.
Please, there must be something I can do. I'll do anything to save her.
Well, I can lend you the coins, dear, if you'd help me clean my house and wash the dishes.
Yes, I'll do it. I'm done.
Well done, dear. Here you go.
Thank you so much. Hang on, Mother duck. I'm coming. Looks like I need a key to open this door. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a key to this door?
Nope. I don't have it.
Do you know where I can find it?
Haven't got a clue.
Hi there. Would you happen to have the key to this door?
No key here. Sorry.
Any idea where I can find it?
I wish I knew.
Excuse me? Do you have the key to this door?
No, I don't.
Do you know where it could be?
No idea, young lady.
I need to save Mother Duck, and now I'm lost. Wait. The magic word can open any door. It's what good manners are for. What is the word? Oh, I got it! Please may I pass through to save Mother Duck? Please! Yay! Oh, a skeleton. I should not be afraid here. Excuse me, Mr. Skeleton. May I pass through? I need to find Mother Duck.
Oh, dearie. This place opens only on Halloween.
Please, it's really important. I need to save Mother Duck.
Rules are rules, kid. Only on Halloween.
I beg you, please, let me through. It's urgent.
Halloween, Halloween, only on Halloween.
How many days left till Halloween?
1, 2, 3.
Hey! Intruder! Intruder!
I saw the button first. I'll press it.
No way! I always press the button. It's my turn.
You pressed it last time.
Excuse me, can you help me cross the bridge?
I don't want to get into their fight either.
What should I do to cross the bridge? Hey, I have a solution. What if you press buttons together? That way, nobody loses.
Friendship wins!
Friendship wins!
Wait, there was an alarm for an intruder. She's the intruder!
Oops, gotta run. Stop right there. I'm angry. No! Stop! Please! I need to save her. I can't leave until I know she's safe.
We understand, but we can't help you.
Just promise you won't chase me, okay?
We can't do that either.
How can I get down there?
The path is on the other side, to the left of the bridge.
Stay here, please. I'll be back. Whoops!
Intruder!
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 It's closed.
Intruder!
Oh, not this one either. Come on.
Intruder!
Yay! This one's open.
Esteemed ghosties, the time has come to enrich our Halloween town with new companions. Behold, the Mother Duck! With the touch of our ghostly charm, she will turn into a fabulous Halloween figure.
Wait! You can't do this. She's already a cherished character in Nursery Rhymes.
Oh, Nursery Rhymes. Oh, wait. But we need her here to enhance our ghostly grandeur.
But it's wrong to take her away without asking. She has a family.
Asking? This is Halloween Town. We take what we fancy.
That's stealing. Did you even ask Mother Duck if she wanted to join you?
Oh, we didn't ask, did we? In that case, we shall honor her choice.
Thank you, Boss Ghost.
Intruder! Intruder! Go! Quick!
Thank you for your help.